Hello, and welcome to another update video about LINK. LINK continues to be in this range, and yeah, we talked about a few days ago that this correction will likely take a little while, and it takes yeah, longer and longer at the moment. I mean, again, you know, it completed basically an ABC structure to the downside of the recent highs here in November. Yeah, here around the 12th of November. That's when, according to my interpretation here, this third wave completed. I would be in favor of a test of the support area a little lower. Yeah, here in wave 4. That would be my favorite scenario, my primary scenario. I'd like to see it do this ABC in wave A. Then maybe now an ABC in wave B. Okay, so just a clear, nice ABC three-wave move, targeting those FIB levels around $15.73 to $18.30. Now I'm only showing you the ideal scenario. And then maybe another dip into support. Here between $9.75, $9.50 actually is the previous breakout point, and $12.88. The $12.88 level was already reached here, so it might go a little lower next time it gets into the box, okay? So I'm just showing you the ideal structure. It's not possible to predict how exactly a correction will unfold. There are simply too many different structures and possibilities. But I mean, what we've got here is potentially an inverse head and shoulders pattern. Okay, it's very speculative, but that's sort of one possibility where we could get a breakout higher into the resistance box, possibly even testing $18.30. And then to come down, there would be a high B wave scenario, which would not include the idea that the wave 5 has already started. But above $18.30, I would have to assume that wave 5 is already unfolding. That would be the alternative scenario. So in the primary scenario, the market has all of this space of the red box and could then still come down and then rally. In the alternative, the wave 4 already completed here. And we would already go up now in a wave 5 towards $18.30 plus. Is it highly likely? Not so much, I think. I mean, again, I can only look at proportions, you know, what looks good. I can tell you the minimum requirements for wave 4 are completed. That's really all I can leave you with, because it completed a 3-wave move down. It even hit our trend reversal support area. And it actually shows a potential 5-wave move to the upside here. So technically speaking, this could be already wave 5 to the upside, really. Yeah? This could be wave 5 to the upside. But it needs to prove it to me, because the wave 4 would be more shallow than ideal. Not as long and healthy as I would prefer. The reason is, if we look at the wave 2, let's zoom out a bit. If we look at the wave 2, that occurred here between July and September, or end of August. See, it took 5 weeks, maybe even 6 weeks. So whatever's happening here, well, it only took like 1 or 2 weeks, okay? So typically what we say in crypto, a wave 4 is often the same length as wave 2. Not always, and it's not a strict rule. It's more like a guideline, something that we can use to really define and narrow down probable options. But either way, we talk about something that is not predictable, basically how this correction can unfold. Is even possible that this larger B wave is finished. But that doesn't look ideal, because I interpret this move up as a 5-wave move. And also, if the A wave was a 3-wave move, the B wave can be quite aggressive. So you can see LINK actually moved nicely in the last few days. So again, this could just be an ABC structure in wave B, and then we come down and see. See, again, the parameters are very well defined. So we can keep it very simple and say that overall, against the $9.50 level, we are watching for a 5th wave to occur. Yeah, that's really the key bullish support. Above $18.30, I assume wave 5 is already unfolding. And yeah, as long as we don't break above $18.30, I would prefer the price to test once more the orange support area. And if it does that, then we have $11.80 as next support, and $11, and then $9.75 and $9.50. That's my update about Link. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. You can find the links for those in the video description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.